What's going on, everybody? Today, we got more Pokemon cards. We have, I think, 6 packs in this bad boy, and 2 additional packs in this bad boy. Um, these are Generations packs. Those are some of my favorite ones to open. These ones, I guess we'll find out when we get into it. I don't know which one we should do first, but I think we should do this one first. So that's what we are gonna do. These literally just came in the mail today. Alright, so first off we get Mega Tyranitar EX card, Jumbo, worth about a whole 25 cents. You get a little coin, a little Tyranitar coin, not bud. Little Tyranitar pin, if that'll focus on that. There you go. Then, hey, Pokemon, make it easier to get these out. Then we have the Tyranitar EX and the Mega Tyranitar EX. That was the same as the Jumbo card. Oh, and then they also give you a nice Tyranitar Spirit Link. Which I guess if you play the game, you need those, right? I don't even know, if are the cards. Somebody let me know in the comments because I honestly don't know. Can you use promo cards in the actual gameplay if you play the games? We have a code. Go get yourself some Pokemon. And then we have a Sun and Moon base set. 2 Steam Siege, XY Fates Collide, Guardians Rising, and Evolutions. I love Evolutions, so that's going to be last. We'll do Guardians Rising, and then whatever order these come in. So, first up, Fates Collide. And then, like I said, remember after, not over, because we have another box to open up. Go get yourself some Pokemon. 3 from the back. Alright, so we have a Kangaskhan. We have a Chin something. A Shuckle. Spoink. Coughing. Cottony. Larvitar. Volibee. Burmy. Reverse Holo, and our rare is. Ooh! Altaria EX. Not bad to start off. Right? Just the first pack we open up, we're getting bangers already. Sip my coffee. Next up, Steam Siege. Can't believe we did that right off the rip. Some packs open up nice, some don't. This one did not. Go get yourself your Pokemon. 3. Are these 4 from the back? No, they're 3 from the back. Alright. Tangle Growth, Chimchar, Yamna, or something. Mareep. I like this card a lot. Just the artwork of it. Mantine. Meowth. I like that card too. A Toxic Croak. And how anticlimactic. Galvatura, I think. Whatever. You win some, you lose some. Another Steam Siege. You're up. Oh. This one did not open nicely. You know, you try to save some pack arts and go get yourself some Pokemon, and it just doesn't work out the way you ever wanted to, does it? Alright, so we have Captivating Pokepuff, Skiploom, Hawlucha, Ponyta, son of that guy, this one, and this one, Tangela, Reverse Hollow Litwick. It's lit up in here. Can we get a lit ass card too? Oh, Mega Gardevoir EX, which I think on my Instagram I just opened up one of those ultra shiny like EX packs, and I'm pretty sure I got this same card in Japanese. If those are in there, then I definitely did. But man, I look like shit right now. I just woke up. I got some cards. I said, I'm going to get a coffee and open these up. Deal with it. Sun and Moon. Also, I do have the Instagram. Pokemon_Thoz. THOZ. Like Pokemon Go, but Pokemon Thoz. Alright. Go get yourself your Pokemon cards. Yep. 1, 2, 3. I think these are 3 from the back. Rare Candy. Pinsir. Howl. Skarmory. Uh-oh. You guys see that up there? I think we got a good pack. Alolan Diglett. Dratini. Sandygast. Reverse Hollow Corsola. And ooh, a Tauros GX, which is a there's a energy in these too. The Tauros GX though, really nice looking card. Look at that artwork. That is a nice looking card. He just did like Horn Attack or some shit, and he is owning. So far, this is an awesome pack opening, by the way. Guardians Rising. By the way, I tell you guys, like, if you enjoy these videos, to leave a like, but no one really leaves likes. You know, I get it. It's a lot to ask for. Boom. Energy. Fire energy. Sableye. That thing. Aqua Patch. Wailmer. Beldum. Rockruff. Machop. Trubbish. Sandit Hollow. Or Reverse Hollow. And Oricorio. Non-hollow. Oh, how about in one of the videos I did like a Wade Dollar Tree packs, and some guy in the comments was like, "Oh, so you weigh the packs so that little kids can't go get those cards?" It was just like, it was so unnecessary. Get yourself some Pokemon cards. But it's just like, dude, just being a dick. Anyway, whatever. Machoke. Potion. Electabuzz. Remember Electabuzz was actually a rare in the normal, whatever. If there was a hollow Electabuzz, that'd be a sick looking card. Just with the electricity hollowed. Maybe his outline hollowed. That'd be a sick card. Magikarp. Ghastly. Sandshrew. Weedle. Haunter. And Starmie. Dude, that's annoying. You get these in almost every pack, so how is it a rare card? I'm just saying. You get them in almost every pack, so how is it a rare? Anyway. A little bit upset about that one. But we have this Keldeo something fell. Let's see what it was. Oh, I think this is like a... I don't know what the hell this is, actually. I was going to just say something, but I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a card list. Mythical Pokemon. Look how cute. Wow. Freaking wow. Alright, so we got this guy. I don't know how you guys are feeling about this. I'm not sure. Got a little pin for you. Got a Pokemon card for you. Go get that bad boy. And got this full art Keldeo. I hope I'm saying that right. Because if I'm not, I'm gonna look dumb. Okay. Which one do we go with first? I'm going with Blastoise first because I really like that Venusaur art. Now I'm gonna try to... Oh, this opened amazingly. That was nice. Okay, so there's no code in these. I think it's 3 from the back. I honestly don't know it. Floral Crown. Special Energy. This isn't looking good. Clefairy. Ponyta. Magikarp. Nice looking energy card. A Krabby. And our rare is... Oh no, this is just a holo. Yveltal. Wait, so did we get a rare yet? Here's another card. Our rare is Charizard EX. Okay, I'll take it. Don't twist my arm. I'll take it. I'll take it. A Charizard EX? For real? Bruh. Dude, these packs are fun to open. I love opening Generations packs. Can we get last pack magic? Let's find out. I didn't know that these didn't come with any whatchamacallits. So it is 3 from the back. And we'll go Flebby, Machoke. That's a cool Machoke card. Clefable, Diglett. I do like that Diglett a lot. Leaf Energy, Shelder, Caterpie, Reverse Hollow Jinx. That's also a rare. Oh, I just saw the rare. Oh, nice. That Charizard card. This is one that I've really wanted, but even though it's not an expensive card, I wanted to open it rather than buy it, if that makes sense. Even though it's, like I said, it's not that expensive of a card. It's maybe $5 tops. But yeah, I really do like that card, just the artwork on it. So our rare was this Dodrio. But yeah, I think I'm going to try to get some more Generations packs because those are really fun to open. If you guys want me to open up some more packs, leave a comment, leave a like. Till next time, peace.